What's going on, everybody? I'm not going to bore you to talk your head off today with a big long intro. Let's just get into the video. I catch a bunch of fish. It's going to be a fun one. Stay tuned.
Okay. Get down here in this shady spot so I'm not sweating to death this entire video. Oh yeah, there's a nice little breeze right here too. This will be good. Unload some of my stuff. All right. Let's start with the buzzbait just for giggles. Hopefully this wind isn't messing up the audio too bad. There's one. All right. Little lunchtime top water. Gotta love that. All right, dude. Hold on. Calm down. Ow, yes, spined me. Ow. Okay. Well, that didn't feel great. Nice little fish, though. Top water, buzzbait. Can't complain. Oh, that feels good to get the skunk off. It's been like 3 days since I had a fish. Ooh, bye, buddy. All right, sweet. Love to get one right off the bat. That always feels awesome. I had no idea they'd even try to hit the buzzbait. But it's a good surprise for sure. Man, that felt so good to get a fish after 3 days of nothing. I don't even care that it was small. I don't even care that he finned me. There's a big log right there, and I'm hoping that there might be one or two hanging out on the far side of it, and that they might be angry enough to hit top water too. If you guys have never fished top water, I mean, what are you doing? You're definitely missing out. All right, let's try the little Ned rig. Oh, I thought that was a fish. Must have been a stick. Must have been a stick. Let's try that way for a minute. I think we're about to make a move and get at least out of the wind. Yep. Yeah, let's get out of this wind. I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, now the wind's gonna be somewhat to my back, so hopefully that'll keep the audio at least at a reasonable level. I'll tell you one thing, man, when it's windy out and you've got the wind at your back, you can bomb lures. try over here. There's some rocks. There's a Christmas tree over here in the water. Speaking of rocks, right there. Right there. Look at that. You just change a spot real quick and boom. Look at that. He hit it hard too, man. He felt a lot bigger than what he turned out to be. Pretty fish, man. Pretty fish. Middle of the day on a black buzzbait. Guys, I'm telling you, hit top water. Just throw it. You never know what's gonna happen. Middle of the day, bright sunny skies, clear water. Swam off just fine. That's 2. Let's see if we can get some more on a buzzbait. This is so much fun. He took my tail. He took the tail off my swimmer. Oh no. That's all right though, because we got more of them. That little joker took my tail. Now this ain't the same one. That was a little Kitech. It's a Guggenbait saucy swimmer. It should have the same effect on these fish out here if they're hitting it like that. So now we're rigged back up, and let's see if we can get another one off that rock. That was awesome. Who knew? Middle of the day. Black buzzbait for the win. I may not even pick up the Ned rig again if they keep biting like this. May not have to. Because if they're going to hit a buzzbait with that much aggression, they obviously want top water. So I'm just going to keep throwing this around any kind of structure I can find. All right, let's start working our way back over towards my tackle bag. And we're gonna keep working our way around this pond. Yep, I'm just gonna keep working down this bank till I get back to my tackle bag, and then we're gonna keep walking around. Shouldn't take too long to do a circle around this pond, so. But if I was able to catch those 2 fish on this buzzbait, I'm sure that I'll be able to catch a few more at least. If not, I mean, that just wouldn't even make sense. All right, let's keep it moving. This water's pretty clear, so once you catch 1 or 2, kind of spooks that little spot out for a bit. So there's really no point in just standing in one place for a whole long time when you're here at this pond. I'm gonna move down here in between these sets of cattails and see if there's a couple guys hanging out on either one of them. Because around the edges of this pond, everything's pretty shallow. The only real deep part is right out there in the middle, where it gets to about 12 feet. Let's see what we've got. Right along the edge of the cattails. Hopefully somebody's hanging out over there. If not, that's okay. We'll just keep it moving. All right, let's try over here on this side. right, no bite on either cattail set. We're gonna keep it moving. Like I said, I'm not gonna stand in one spot. It is too dang hot for that. So we are moving around the bend a little ways to the next little spot. I'm gonna try to work my way to some shade as quickly as possible, but luckily there is a nice little breeze going today. Oh, I just spooked two nice ones right off the bank. I know there's a bunch of bass on this side because I just seen them. So we are just going to stay away from Mr. Snake. Oh, and look at that. Already. Like I said, I knew there was fish over here. I wasn't even paying attention. I was looking for Mr. Snake Buddy, making sure he wasn't going to get me. Right in the top of the mouth too. Look at that. That is just exactly how you want him to bite it. This is turning into a nice little day so far. I'm happy with it. Get this little guy Instagram famous real quick. And we're gonna come over here and let him go and try not to fall in with him. There he goes. That's 3, man. I'm pleasantly surprised. I had no idea that I was going to get him biting this good on a buzzbait this late in the day. It's already almost 1 o'clock. Normally the topwater bite around here is done by 9 a.m. I literally just threw this around for giggles, and yeah, it's actually working out. See if we can get another one off this dam, because that's what I'm standing on right now, is actually the dam of the pond or lake or whatever you want to call this. I don't see my snake friend, so that's good. Maybe he went away. Let's see if we can get some more off this buzzbait. Man, this is fun. If you don't like a buzzbait, you're lying if you say you don't like a buzzbait. Because it catches big fish, it catches little fish. And apparently it catches them at all times of the day, it doesn't matter. But again, with this clear water, man, you catch one and you've pretty much blown out the spot. And try this way, just in case I happen to walk past some that I didn't notice. Well, that doesn't help when my saucy swimmer is his tail's all hooked up. There we go. Alright, we're going to do this one last cast down this little section of bank, and then we're going to move down some more. Okay, one more cast since that one had a fouled up bait. All right, keep it moving, keep it moving. We're on a roll right now with this buzzbait. I'm loving it. Especially after getting skunked for 3 days straight, or was it 4 days straight? I don't even know anymore. All I know is it was too long. That is for sure. So we're just gonna keep walking down every few 100 yards or so. Go back down to the edge of the water and keep throwing this buzzbait. I don't think I'm gonna throw anything else today, honestly. They're biting it. As long as there's a fish there, they seem to be wanting it. So, you know, what's the old saying? If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Well, the buzzbait's not broke and it's catching fish, so I'm not gonna change it. All right. Doesn't look like I got any snake friends over here, so that's good. I'm gonna move down just a tiny bit so that I can hit some of this cattail line here, because it actually looks like it's giving a little bit of shade. So hopefully we can get a fish off of it. Ah, that's not cool. Now I'm snagged up in it. Come on. You are not keeping my buzzbait. I won't allow it. There we go. Got it. Oh, that makes me happy. We are back in action, guys. All right. Nothing on those sets. All right, we're moving to the next spot. Okay, we are here at the next spot, and I am looking at a fish to my left, so I'm walking to my right, trying to ignore him. And now I'm casting over there, because yeah, there's definitely a fish right there. I'm looking right at it, 2 of them. Come on. There is one. Oh, he came off. He missed it. He did get my tail though. I don't even care. We're gonna try one more time. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, I seen him. He came out of nowhere and just attacked it, man. That was awesome. Oh, I saw him come up out of nowhere. He was down deep, man, and he came up and just attacked. That was so cool. He's the biggest one so far today for sure. Oh man, that was so cool. I saw him come up out of the depths to eat that. Oh, that was so awesome. Come on, bud. There he goes. All right, so apparently the saucy swimmer does not need the paddle tail when it's on the back of a buzzbait. Noted. Because that didn't even go over top of that dude. He came out of the depths and just annihilated that thing. That was so cool. That was so awesome. All right, we're gonna move to another spot. I need to change out the saucy swimmer anyway. So I will rejoin you guys here in a minute. The shade feels so much better. So much better. All right, we are gonna try this spot, and then if this doesn't work, we're gonna go and probably wrap the video up if we don't catch anything over here. Let's see what we can get. Got him. Seems like they like the shade over here too, and I don't blame them. It's hot out. Almost 90 degrees, middle of the day. top water. Can't beat that, man. All right, buddy, I gotta kind of yeet you. Yeah, he's good. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. The heat got to me. It is just so hot outside. I think right now it's saying it's 95 degrees. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, rehydrate, refuel, and get back out later this afternoon. Hopefully film some more good content for you guys. So yeah, like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.